Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We
To the
have a
10x Game
liftoff.
Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Friday, it's June 20th. XRP is at 214. And let's dive right into the charts. Guys, what is going on? Things are moving down. You know, the markets are uncertain. There's a lot of uncertainty going on. World War III brewing behind the scenes. A lot of distractions, a lot of things that are causing these markets to bleed. If we look at XRP, we're at 213 here. We're on the weekly. We're holding support on the line. And I told you guys, we really need to hold this line. We still have 2 days and 6 hours for this weekly candle close. So I will be updating you once that happens. If we look at today, we did dip down all the way to 208, but we pulled up here. We're pulling up above the support line. We still have about 5 hours until the daily candle closes. So we will have to see what happens. The stochastic RSI is moving down. So it's not looking too great, besides the fact that we're holding support here. So let me know what you guys think. 4 hour, we are getting a massive wick to the downside. We still have an hour to close this candle. But guys, if we can hold this support line, we will be looking okay. But like I've said in my previous videos, you can expect a move down to this green line here, this major support at the $2 range, to grab liquidity before ultimately moving up. I do think July and August will show a massive move for XRP as we are coming to the very end of this pattern, right in the apex of this bullish consolidation. We've been consolidating for about 6 to 7 months now. So guys, we are expecting a massive move for XRP. This could be the final shakeout before the massive move. And when we zoom out on the weekly time frame here, we can see a potential flip of the stochastic RSI. We will have to see how the weekly closes in 2 days, but that could be a bullish indicator for XRP's next leg higher. Jumping into X, if you guys don't follow me at official NDE. That's at official NDE. We have ISO 20022. Are you ready? FedWire July 14th. This is the implementation plan. So guys, July 14th is the date to watch. That's when the ISO 20022 goes into effect, full force. We have XRP for liquidity, XDC for payments, HBAR for security, and Link for CCIP. Guys, it's going down. July 14th is going to be a massive date. I will keep you guys updated along the way, but we should see the ISO tokens such as XRP, XLM, Algorand, and HBAR really going off and exploding in price. We have breaking. XEC SEC lawyer Mark Fagel says the SEC case is not delayed until August 15th. The ruling is anticipated at any moment with no set timeline. So guys, this is good news, as we thought that the SEC case would have to be postponed until August 15th. But apparently, the case could end at any moment in time. So this is all pre-planned of when the case will end. And guys, we know that July and August are going to be massive moves as XRP is coiling up for an extreme bullish pump. Here's one. The year is 2030. XRP. Can you imagine, guys, buying houses, buying real estate, buying beautiful properties, and a for sale sign looking like this? 100 XRP. This potentially is what the future could hold for XRP holders. Hold those bags. We might see something like this in the near future. Here's one from the crypto philosopher. News is about to hit. Stars are aligned. Bitcoin dominance at 65%, XRP consolidation ending, ISO 20022 July 14th. The time frame is coming. Guys, we are at the very end. I know it's been a wild ride. I know you guys have been holding, waiting for the next major move. Patience will reward you, and we are at the very end of this consolidation. Expect potentially a wick down before a massive move up, but we are just getting started. Here's one from Waters Above. He says, this crypto market will look very, very different in 30 days from now. So if you're worried about this, what this market is doing today, remember, that's exactly how the market maker wants you to feel. Don't let those lizards get to you. Eyes on the prize. And guys, that's fact. Don't let them shake you out. In 30 days from now, July 20th, we're going to see a massive move for XRP, altcoins, and the markets will be in a completely different spot from where they are today. Guys, it's all pre-programming, years and years in advance. Get everyone desensitized. Marketing Psychology 101. And here we have the Mercedes-Benz S65 AMG, the champagne cup holders for backseat passengers. What do you guys notice? The XRP symbolism, complete pre-programming. And guys, this is exactly what we'll be doing when XRP skyrockets in price. We'll be riding around in Mercedes-Benz, drinking glasses of champagne because we were the ones that stayed ahead and knew what was coming. And again, the S-Class 2015 AMG Sport S550 has the same symbolism going on. So guys, Mercedes-Benz has been showing this symbolism for some time now. Quite interesting to see. Here we go, the XRP rich list 2 years ago versus today, the bottom. So if we look 2 years ago, this was the top. To be in the top 10%, you had to hold at least 3,500 XRP. But today, to be in the top 10% of XRP holders, you need to hold at least 2,500 XRP. So congratulations if you are in the top 10%. You will be very, very rich, very, very well off and handsomely rewarded for accumulating XRP and continuing to hold your bags, as the XRP rich list is now lower than what it was before. So XRP is going up in price, meaning you need less XRP to join the rich list, as it costs more to have that amount of XRP. That's it for the video. I will see you guys in the next one.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your